Hello student, I am Professor Sahanemi. Welcome to the first year diploma basic mathematics lecture series. Going to conduct the lecture number 56. याआधी आपण बघितलं तर 55 लेक्चर. या 55 लेक्चर मध्ये स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये find the acute angle between the two lines. Then find distance from point to line. Distance between two parallel lines. Okay, हे आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला बघितलं होतं. Last lecture we have seen this. Now we start new chapter, measuration. What is the measuration? Measuration is the branch of mathematics for measurement of side, edges, surface area of solid. It's called as measuration. म्हणजे काय measuration म्हणजे काय, आपण edges साइडचं मेजरमेंट करतो, नंतर सरफेसचं मेजरमेंट करतो, त्यालाच आपण मेजरेशन म्हणतो. तर त्यामध्ये दोन टाईप आहे, दोन टाईपच्या फिगर असतात, एक प्लेन फिगर आणि एक सॉलिड फिगर. ओके, आता प्लेन फिगर मध्ये ओके प्लेन फिगर मध्ये काय होतं, ट्रायंगल. हे जी दिसतंय सगळं प्लेन फिगर पहा, ट्रायंगल दिसतोय, क्वाड्रॅटरल, रेक्टँगल, स्क्वेअर, पॅरलोग्राम, रोम्बस, ट्रॅपिझम. these are the plane figures. ओके, ठीक आहे, याला प्लेन फिगर म्हणतो. आणि दुसरं असतं सॉलिड फिगर. आणि या सर्व प्लेन फिगर यांना दोन डायमेन्शनल असतात, एक्स ॲक्सिस आणि वाय ॲक्सिस, दोन डायमेन्शन. ओके, अशा फिगरला आपण काय म्हणतो, प्लेन फिगर. ठीक आहे, मग आता या प्लेन फिगरचा एरिया फाइंड करणार आहे आपण, नंतर पेरिमीटर फाइंड करणार आहे. त्याची जी फॉर्म्युला ते आपण बघणार आहोत. पहिले घेऊया ट्रायंगल. तर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगलचा फॉर्म्युला आपण पहिला बघूया. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, आणि एव्हरीवन नो द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. बेस आणि हाईट माहित असेल तर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इक्वल टू 1/2 into base into height. जर हाईट आणि बेस दिला असेल तर यूज द फॉर्म्युला. ओके, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाईट. नाउ सेकंड वी फाइंड द पेरिमीटर. कोणाची पेरिमीटर फाइंड करायची, ट्रायंगलची पेरिमीटर. You know the perimeter means the length of sum of length of all side. म्हणजे ट्रायंगलच्या सर्व साइडचे जी लेंथ आहे त्याची बेरीज केली की तुम्हाला काय भेटते, पेरिमीटर भेटते. कोणाची, ट्रायंगलची. मग आता जर आपण इथे बघितलं, ही जी साइड दिसते, क्यू आर साइड दिसते, तिची लेंथ काय, ए. टी आर साइड आहे, तिची लेंथ किती आहे, बी. आणि पी क्यू साइड आहे ट्रायंगलची, its length is C, and this addition nothing but our perimeter of triangle. Means perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. Getting? Now we find the semi perimeter. Semi म्हणजे अर्धी, हाफ म्हणजे त्याला काय कशाने भागावं लागेल, 2 ने भागावं लागेल. We have divide by 2, we get the semi perimeter of triangle. Semi perimeter of triangle, and its formula S means semi perimeter and is equal to A plus B plus C, correct, divide 2. Okay, you already learn in 10th standard area of triangle, perimeter, semi perimeter. Okay, now fourth we find area of triangle. If three sides are given. Here see this diagram, we are given three sides. First side is A, second side is B, and third side is C. These are the given. Three sides are given. Then its formula is, okay, area of triangle having three sides. Area of triangle having three sides. And which is A, B and C. These are the three sides. And what is the formula? Very simple. Is equal to root S. S म्हणजे काय आहे? सेमी पेरिमीटर. हाउ टू कॅल्क्युलेट सेमी पेरिमीटर? S equal to A plus B plus C divided 2. Under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is a formula. Area of triangle having three sides. Okay, first side is A, second side is B and third side is C. Then use the formula. Area of triangle equal to under root S bracket S minus A, second bracket S minus B and third bracket S minus C. This is the formula. Okay, under root when three sides are given. Next, equilateral triangle formula. Area of equilateral triangle, and very simple formula. Under root 3 divide 4 side square into side square. This is the formula. Area of equilateral triangle. Okay. These are the five formula which is very important. First we see area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. Third, perimeter of triangle equal to A plus B plus C. Semi perimeter of triangle म्हणजे याचे half A plus B plus C चा half म्हणजे divide 2. S equal to A plus B plus C divide 2. Area of triangle having three sides ABC equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 divide 4 into side square. This is the area of triangle. There are five formulae. Okay. आणखी काय फॉर्म्युला आहे बघूया नंतर ते. आता नेक्स्ट डायग्राम इज इक्विलॅटरल. ओके, इक्विलॅटरल. Now what is equilateral is, what is your H1 is given, H2 is given. जर इथे बघितलं, this is the H1 दिसते. H1 and this is the H2. Okay, and this PR is a base. Also PR is the base. Okay, means PR is the base and which is equal to B. Base काय तुमचा D आहे. And what is H1 and H2 are the two heights. H1 and H2 are the two heights. दिसतंय ना इथे H1 दिसतोय, इथे सॉरी हा H1 आणि हा H2, two heights. Hence area equal to area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral equal equal to, very simple formula, 1 by 2 into B bracket h1 plus h2, h1 plus h2, h1 म्हणजे ही height, this is the height h1 and this is the h2, the second height, means both height are given and this is the PR is our base and hence area of equilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into B is base into bracket h1 plus h2. Okay, next you see the rectangle. L is the length. Okay, this is na, L is the length and what is B? B is the breadth. B is the breadth. Then area of rectangle, area of rectangle equal to L into B. L into B. This is the first one. L म्हणजे length, this is given L, and B is breadth. Okay. Then area of rectangle equal to L into B. Now second formula we know that diagonal of rectangle. जो diagonal दिसतो ना, D दिसतोय सर्वांना. Okay. हा जर काढायचा असेल तर we can use direct formula and the formula is for diagonal, this is the diagonal, we are finding the diagonal by using the formula. The formula is diagonal equal to, okay, diagonal equal to under root L square plus B square. By using the Pythagoras we get this diagonal L square plus B square. Okay, now we have find the perimeter. Equal to, कोणाची पेरिमीटर फाइंड करतोय? करेक्ट, रेक्टँगलची पेरिमीटर फाइंड करतोय. आणि जर तुम्ही इथे बघितलं रेक्टँगल पेरिमीटर म्हणजे सर्व साइडची बेरीज करायची. ओके, sum of all side is nothing but the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, hence we get here, what is the side here? Correct, L is here length and this is the B. Correct, mean suppose this is the B, hence this is also B. Correct, L opposite side are equal, this is the L, means L plus L किती झाले? 2L झाले, 2L. ओके, प्लस B plus B किती झाला? 2B झाला. Take 2 common, hence we get 2 bracket L plus D. This is our parameter. Everybody getting? The opposite side are equal. हा जर B असेल we get other side also B. L असेल तर हा सुद्धा L. L अधिक L किती झाले? 2L. B अधिक B किती झाले? 2B. 2B. Take 2 common. What is the formula perimeter of rectangle? 2 bracket L plus D. Very important formula. Okay, next we see the square. Getting? Okay, square. What is the square? Square having all sides are equal. Wait, we are given here. This side is A, length of this side is A, 4 sides are equal. All having the length A. Means this is the square and all angle are right angle. Means this is our square. चौरस मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. Okay. Hence, the side of rectangle square is A. Length. The side of square is A. What is the side? A is the side. Hence, area of square equal to 1. First formula, area of square. Very simple. What is the area of square? correct is A square. Means A means side square. This is the formula for area of square. Then we find the diagonal. Second, a diagonal of square. And its formula is root 2 into A. Root 2 into A. What is A? A is side. Okay. Root 2 into A. Again we are find by using the Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras ने आपल्याला diagonal of square मिळतो. Okay, everybody getting? And the perimeter of, we know that, the third perimeter of square. And how many sides? See here, this is A plus A, A plus A, 2A plus A, 3A, and what is here? 4A. Means what is the perimeter? Means the side addition of length of side. म्हणजे या साइडची जर बेरीज केली A अधिक किती झाले 4A. म्हणजे perimeter of square is 4A. Getting? Next diagram is parallelogram. Okay. What is the height? Let height equal to h. Height is h. A is one side. One side is A. And another side is other side. What is the other side? Other side is B. Baga, one side, this is the one side. This is one side A and second side, other side is D. Then area of parallelogram equal to S. Area of parallelogram equal. What is the formula? Base into height, B into H. This is the formula. Area of parallelogram. Okay, means here. What is the next? Rhombus. See here, rhombus. What is the side here? A is here. A, and E. And what is there? This is the D1. This is the D1. Okay, this is the D1. Diagonal of rhombus is a D1. And second diagonal is, what is the length? D2. Means rhombus having two diagonal, for diagonal D1 and D2. Okay, and hence its area equal to D1 and D2 are the diagonals. कोणाचे डायगोनल्स आहे? करेक्ट, rhombus डायगोनल है. Rhombus has area of rhombus equal to 1/2 into D1 into D2. Getting? Now at the last, trapezium. Okay, what is the formula here? What is given here? One side is A is given. The A is given. Now second side, this is the opposite side, which is B. Okay, and height is given. This is the height. Height is, what is the height? H. You see the formula for trapezoid. Hence, area of trapezoid equal to area of equal to 1/2 into h. This to h, and what is your b in bracket a plus b. See here again, what is the formula? 1/2 into height okay bracket sum of parallel sides. Yeah, parallel side this time. This is one parallel side. This and these are the two parallel sides. The sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel side. Okay, getting? Now next, which is already you have learned in 10th. Circle. Okay, circle having center O, okay, and radius R. The radius R. See the circle. Now let R be the radius of circle. Let R be the radius of circle. Okay. Hence, angular diameter. What is diameter? The diameter denoted by D. D equal to 2R. Correct? D R च्या किती असते? दुप्पट असते. 2 times of R. Means R equal to, we get D divided 2. Means radius equal to half of diameter. Hence, area of circle equal to what is formula? Correct? Pi R square. This is the area of circle. Okay. And perimeter of circle. What is the formula? 2 pi R. Okay. Say again. We see the measuration. What is the measuration? The branch of mathematics which measurement of side edges, area, surface is called as measuration. There are two types of surface: plane figure and solid figure. Plane figure मध्ये तुम्ही बघितलं आता आपण बघितलं triangle, quadrilateral, okay, rectangle, parallelogram, okay, and circle. These are the plane figures. These are two-dimensional figures. First we have triangle, area of triangle. Then we see the quadrilateral, rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezoid. Now we see one example. Okay, what is the example? See here. Everybody getting the formula? Again, see the formula. What is the first formula? Triangle, area of triangle equal to 1/2 into B into base into height. Perimeter of triangle A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter of triangle S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Area of triangle having three sides A, B, C. Then area equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Area equilateral triangle equal to root 3/4 into side square. Okay, quadrilateral. Second figure, base is B and height is H1 and H2. Area of quadrilateral equal to 1/2 B into h1 plus h2, h1 plus h2. A rectangle, L be the length of rectangle and B is the breadth of rectangle. Then area of rectangle equal to L into B and diagonal equal to root L square plus B square. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Then we see the square having the side A, hence the area of square equal to side square or A square. The diagonal of square is root 2 into A. Perimeter of a square, they are having 4 sides, means its formula is 4A. Next we see the parallelogram, okay, having the height h and one side is A, other side is B. Hence area of parallelogram is B into H. This is the B into H. Okay. And rhombus having the diagonal, two diagonals, D1 and D2, and having side A. Its formula is area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1. D1 means the first diagonal and D2 is a second diagonal. D1 into D2. Okay. And area of trapezium. Here having the height h and the parallel sides are given. One parallel side having the length A and second parallel side having the length B, means two parallel side having the length A and B and height h. What is the formula? Correct, 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel sides, means parallel side is A plus B. Okay. Then at last we see the circle. Circle having the radius R, means D equal to 2R. Okay. Means R equal to D divided by 2. D is the diameter of the circle. Okay. What is D? D is the diameter of circle. Hence area of circle equal to pi R square and perimeter equal to 2 pi R. Okay. Now we see one example on this. What is the? Find the area of rhombus having the diagonal 16 and 12. Okay, means we are given here we are given a diagonal. कोणाचे diagonal is there? Diagonal. D1 is given. D1 equal to 16 and D2 equal to correct. What is D2? 12 semi. Okay. Now we have solved the problem. Which is very important. What is we have given diagonal. Okay. What is the formula of area of rhombus? Correct. Area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Okay, we are given D1 and D2. Put the value. D1 is 16. D2 is 12. 2 adds 16 means we get here 8 into 12. Correct? Hence we get 96. Now what is the limit for area? Semi-square. Semi-square. Correct? The meter we are given in meter. The answer is meter square. Okay. Hence area of rhombus equal to what is the area of rhombus? Correct, 96 semi-square. Get the answer. Very, very easy. Will you remember the formula for area of rhombus, and which is 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Getting? Okay. Now next, find the area of triangle whose sides are 4, 6, 8. Okay. means find the area of triangle whose sides are given 4 semi, 6 semi and 8 semi. Means we are given here A equal to 4, B equal to correct 6 semi and C equal to 8 semi. Means we are given the 3 sides. Okay, 3 sides are given. Then we use the formula semi perimeter. We have find the semi perimeter first. Which is S equal to A plus B, correct, plus C divide 2. What is A? 4 plus 6 plus 8 divide 2. Hence we get 18 divide 2, correct? What is the addition? 18 divide 2 means we get 9. Means we get S equal to 9. Now what is the formula? Area of triangle equal to. Okay, its formula is correct. When 3 sides are given, its formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula. Now we put the value. Hence, what is S? 9. Okay, 9 minus A is 4. 9 minus B is 6. And 9 minus 8. Okay. And calculate by Calc. Directly we have put this in Calc. We get the answer. Okay. Root 35. Direct Calc मध्ये टाकू शकता तुम्ही. Okay. Hence, area of triangle equal to. And what is the its root is 11.62 semi square, and is our answer, final answer. Okay. See student, काय बघितलं आजच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण? करेक्ट सूत्र बघितले. मीन्स वी सी द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, area of rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, area of circle. Okay, getting? भेटूया पुढच्या लेक्चरला पुढचे प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ. बाय.